Hi, my dear friends. This is Moses Durazo, and I want to share with you an inspiring story of healing and transformation through biomagnetism. In this testimonial, you'll hear firsthand how chronic pain, which lasted over 2 decades, was finally relieved without medications or invasive procedures, just using the power of biomagnetic therapy. So, if you or a loved one have been searching for solutions to pain, discomfort, or other health challenges, listen closely because this could be the breakthrough you've been looking for.
With biomagnetism, Moses helped me find relief and cure many of my illnesses. For example, I had back pain for 22 years and was looking for solutions, which I hadn't found. With magnets, Moses helped me get rid of the pain. It's practically a zero now. Before, I would go out with my family and could only handle about a half to 1 hour before having to tell them we needed to go home because I can't stand my back. Now, I'm really comfortable going out. I've also lost a lot of weight. He has helped me very much.
If this story resonates with you and you want to learn how to apply biomagnetism for yourself, your family, or even help others heal, I invite you to join my 3-day training. You'll gain hands-on knowledge and techniques to harness this powerful healing method. And if you're curious but not quite ready, start with our free introductory courses to explore the foundations of biomagnetism. Click the link below to sign up and take the first step towards natural healing and wellness. See you there.